This one should be fun, and I want to talk about the effort or non-effort that slumlords agents put in. Please understand, when you think of a realtor, and maybe even your cousin, nephew, a girl you went to college with, is, was, and has been a realtor, and they do very well. That's the $1 million listing. They want to be on television, etc. These are slummy little spots that can have a ray of hope in a national chain or a really good restaurant or even a great laundromat, and that's what we bring in, but I digress. We called this guy a month ago, and he said, I'll check in and find out what's going on with this tenant. Probably some smoke where there's fire. And he hasn't bothered to call us back. So let's jump on with the client and let's call this agent. Make sure you sub now. We're going to do a live here in a minute too. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not here to dig up information on your tenants. That's not my MO. But if there's a lease coming available anytime soon, I wouldn't be surprised.
My understanding is that they are surrendering the premises.
There you go. That's
we may even have the key back.
I think the next thing is to talk lease terms.
Okay. I'm not certain what they're doing with the equipment, but I'm going to inquire and get back to you.
Okay. Well, I've heard that before about inquiring it back to you. Let me say this. Now there's some concern on my end because I don't care about the equipment. The equipment's not mine.
Okay, good.
It's theirs. Do you know why I'm calling you to begin with?
Yeah.
Oh, good. So you own the infrastructure. You own the infrastructure.
You originally, no. We manage the property.
Right. Well, okay. The royal you, the landlord, the powers that be, the tenant does not own anything but the F&E. You know this. This is grade school stuff, and I know you're beyond that.
Throw another faggot on the fire.
What?
Another log. Throw another log on the fire.
Oh.
But I'm after infrastructure, the gas, water, electric, everything in and under the walls. And they can't cut into that. So when do you want me to reach out? When should I ask again?
Call me tomorrow and I will try to get an update because I was trying to get an update and got a partial update. So
yeah, handing the keys back.
I know that we either are getting them or have them, and that's as much as I know.
Excellent.
But I heard and inquired, and I was actually looking up your number earlier, so I'm glad you called.
Me too. Thrilled.
Ever face another good guy before?
No.
Me neither.
Kind of makes you wonder what'll happen.
I guess the good guy will win, just like always.
Yep. Except we're both good guys.
Then I reckon the most good guy will win.
And that's the way I figure, too.
Yep.
Next time we talk, let's be ready to talk terms, and we will try to beat you up on the rent and get this done so you can swing like Tarzan from one tenant to the next. I'll call you tomorrow.
Do you want to buy the whole property?
No.
Why?
Thanks. How full of shit is this guy? Doing zero work, I was just looking up your number. Why do you say that? Why do you lie? Why do people lie like that? Why do they feel it necessary? Because he knows he was supposed to get back to me. The bosses know that they told him that they were going to vacate the premises, that their previous operator's a piece of shit, and he should get back with the people that know what they're doing, who want to lease the space, and he didn't do any of it.
Yeah.
And then I say something that's inside baseball, like, do you know why I want it? Yeah! No, you don't. No, you don't. You're clueless. I don't have to like the guy to deal with him, and we also know that he doesn't want to do any work, so wonderful. Text me tomorrow, and we will call him back.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.